Hi guys, in this video we will try to explain you our LPGmeter device. In this video we will try to explain how to calibrate it, how to use and some critical adjustment of it. LPGmeter is a device that shows the LPG level in the gas tank with a high accuracy. It shows the amount of the LPG as a liter and also colored graphic like you see in the video. Also, it can be displayed the estimated range that could be able to go. For example, now there is 18 liter gas in the tank, so this means that our car can go between 170 and 210 kilometers. There are 3 user interface options on the device. This is one of them, and also this is another one, and this is last one. Also, there are some personalized features on the device. The graphic colors can be changed, and also it can be defined a critical LPG level warn. During the installation, it needs some calibration and adjustment process. There are a user manual on the device to change the personalized options and necessary calibrations. We have 2 buttons on the device. To enter the menu, we will use the button 1. Now I will try to shortly explain you how to use the device. Now we have only Turkish language section, but in the future we will add some other language section as well as English language section. To navigate the device, we will use the bottom button. To select one of them, we will use the upper button. The first option is backlight level. We have 3 manual and 1 auto option here. You can select which you want. The second one is while the device is opening, which graphic menu will appear on the screen. The third one is screen graphic colors can be changed. No rainbow color option is selected. By using up button, the graphic color can be changed. The third option is you can define critical fuel level warn. The button option allows you the warning sound periods. All warning sounds can be switched off completely. For example, now we define 4 liter. If the fuel level inside the fuel tank drops under the 4 liter, the device gives you a beep sound. The last options is this warning sound periods. The 1 minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes, or you can completely switch off the all warning sounds. Now I will explain you the last and most important menu, that is calibration menu. It needs to be defined the fuel level inside the tank. Now you are seeing the debug values on the screen. Please watch to how to calibrate the LPGmeter videos on the YouTube. Thanks for watching videos.